Like, yo, I just got off of work. I'm tired. So you lucky you get in a video this week.
Yo, I am hungry.
Hungry.
And this is a low-cal day.
This is a low-cal day.
So
I'm hungry.
I'm extra hungry.
I'm tired.
Yeah.
You lucky.
Hey kids, I'm Kamau.
I'm Selena.
And we're with the City and Beyond. And today, we have a list for you. Ready for it? Here you go. After our last video, we started to think about what you shouldn't be packing inside your personal bag. And some of these things are going to be obvious, but at least it's something for you to refer to so you don't get tempted to pack everything. Spoilers, you can't do it.
Full-size straighteners and curling irons, don't pack them. I know they look little and thin and it doesn't take up that much room, but in reality, something that you actually need on your trip and you only have a personal bag is way more important than putting one of these in there. My suggestion is getting a miniature size. I have thick hair too, so girl, you could do a lot with this. Lots of bang stuff, small curls. It's really useful. I used it for a wedding once. Another suggestion is I actually get my hair done before a lot of trips. That's why my hair is so silky straight usually. Or one time I actually got my hair braided. So, and that totally gets rid of needing to do your hair at all.
Next up, jeans. Don't pack them. Or sweatpants, or any other bulky pants for that matter. Instead, wear them on your way to the flight. Because if you do pack them in your bag, you will be taking up space for something else. They don't compact very well. As an alternative, you can have a washer and dryer at your accommodations. That way, you can just wash them. Good? Next point.
Like I said in our last video, wear your bulkiest shoe. Wear your bulkiest shoe. That's thigh-high boots, heels, whatever it is. And don't be mad that you gotta wear your heels to the airport. I'm saying, if you wanna get that cheap flight and you can only have a personal bag, you gotta make some sacrifices, all right? Instead, inside of your bag, what you would put in is like ballet flats, anything that's flat. It's one of the major travel commandments. You gotta follow it. Wear your bulkiest shoe.
The next point is over-the-ear headphones. If you're gonna have ones that are this big, then the best thing for you to do is either put it over your neck, drape it over your bag, like hold it like on it like this, almost like a purse, but on your bag, right? Or even better yet, just leave it in the case and carry the case with you. Nobody cares. Alternatively, you could just take something a little more lighter, sort of like AirPods or in-ear headphones. Because let's be real, we're trying to save space, right? Right. Before we move on to our next point, we just wanted to tell you that we're still on our journey to 1,000 subscribers. And we've seen an increase in watch time and views, and we really wanted to thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Hand heart, Selena. Yes, yes, yes. So if you have not subscribed yet, please do so and join us at the City and Beyond. We love you, and we're on to the next point.
Bras. Well, not all bras. I'm talking about those padded, like, firm bras. You don't want to really pack those in your personal bag because it doesn't really optimize your space, and you really want things in there that you can flatten and twist and turn any way you want so that you can get all the nooks and crannies of your bag filled. I would suggest bralettes or sports bras. They can go in your personal bag and you can wear the padded firm bra if you really need one on your trip.
Laptops. Laptops can be cumbersome and take up a lot of space. Typically when we go on trips, we only bring one laptop, and that's the one that Selena does the editing on. An alternative to bringing your whole laptop would probably just be to bring a tablet, because in case it's for entertainment or for the kids. Or just use your cell phone. It's like a mini computer in your pocket. And let's be real, aren't you going to a new destination to explore it? How much you really gonna be on your laptop? Don't be taking up that much space, bro. You know better than that.
Last but not least, do not pack full-size products. I repeat, do not pack full-size products. Even if it's not liquids and you technically can bring the full-size product, do not bring full-size products. It's gonna suck up space in your bag. Don't do it. Don't even think about it. No full-size products. If you really need, let's say, more of that conditioner, even though that's a liquid, but more of that conditioner or that hair product or makeup, just bring double small ones, or however many you think you really need of whatever it is. Just bring 2 of them, or bring 3 of them, whatever it is. Like, there's really no big limit of how much you can have, especially if it's liquids, I guess. But bring more than 1 and just make sure they're still small. It's gonna save you room, I promise. It will save you room. This is the same for cleaning products. Everybody's bringing cleaning products with them on flights, but if you're on a cheap flight, aka a basic economy flight, you cannot afford to have a full thing of Clorox wipes in your bag. I know there's a pandemic, but you can get mini sizes of hand sanitizers and Clorox wipes, or hand wipes and stuff like that. Can't find any? Well, an alternative I have for you is you have your big bottle of Clorox wipes, and you can take, I usually do 20, take a Ziploc, put those 20 sheets in there, seal it, and bring it with you on your flight. Boom, bam, done. I did this in March when the pandemic started, when I had my girls' weekend, and it worked out fine. I bought 2 packs of 20 because we couldn't find any mini Clorox wipe packages, and so I gave 1 to my friend Harleni, and I kept 1. And we wiped down our seats and anywhere we sat at before and after our flight in the airport.
That's gonna be it for us today. But we'll be back next week with another new video. So remember to subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and comment below what's a suggestion you would give to fellow travelers so that they don't overpack for their basic economy flight, because we're only using personal bags for this little special here.
And until next week, bye.
This is why we usually film on weekends, because that's the days we choose to eat whatever the heck we
We
want.
Exactly. The last video I was hungry too. Yeah, it's just like, I mean, black don't crack, like, come on.
But it does.
You trying to say I look saggy?
No, but these are noise canceling and they sound really great. Hashtag not sponsored. That's why you can't see who made them. Ha 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 ha. Okay. No, I'm not okay. What do I do with my hands? My hands. I don't know what to do with my hands.